The first lawsuit has been filed against Kentucky's Medicaid program, changes that include work or volunteer requirements. It comes as the acting U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary was in Kentucky meeting with Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin. WHAS 11's political editor Chris Williams had the only one-on-one interview with the Deputy Secretary, Eric Hargan.
The acting HHS Secretary and Governor Matt Bevin voiced confidence that this lawsuit will be defeated in court and Kentucky will be seen as a model for the country.
Our vision for work in Medicaid is focused just on working-age, able-bodied adults who can work.
Governor Matt Bevin and Deputy Secretary Eric Hargan spoke to a handful of reporters after their roundtable discussion at the governor's mansion. Kentucky is the first state granted an 1115 waiver, which created Kentucky Health, a program that includes work and volunteer requirements for some to access Medicaid benefits. A change drawing criticism and now a lawsuit.
You don't get so hung up as if somehow if they're not working, that's it.
Governor Bevin defended the plan, stating that work and volunteering are just some of the several what he called on-ramps available for those who need access.
There are so many different ways in which a person can meet the compliance. There is not one person in Kentucky, in any community, anywhere, that will not be given a real, legitimate, immediate to their proximity opportunity to comply. Those who choose not to, we have no control over.
Well, Kentucky has been really on the leading edge of this. It's really the innovator in this way.
Before the news conference, only WHAS 11 had a one-on-one conversation with Deputy Secretary Hargan.
Are you confident that by changing these rules and allowing for these requirements, that those who need mental health through Medicaid and through government help will still be able to get the mental health care that they need?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's no reduction in what the program is going to be able to deliver in that area. So it's just that there is these requirements that the state can bring about is not a way to kind of eliminate the kinds of helps that the program allows people to access.
In the end, Kentucky may not be alone in the changes. The Secretary said 10 other states are waiting for their waivers to be approved, and Governor Bevin said he knows of at least 3 other governors who are planning to file an 1115 waiver. At the governor's mansion, Chris Williams, WHAS 11 News.